So what we're now going to go ahead and do is actually create a table that we can store data. So we're going to create a table that stores articles. So we're going to have an article name, an article description, the date that an article was created. So let's go ahead and do that now. We need to use the create table syntax. So we say create table, and you might often find that you see things like the actual MySQL commands written in uppercase, and this just helps distinguish the commands from the actual variable names, if you like. So the names of the tables, the names of databases, and names of columns, things like that. So let's go ahead and create this articles table. So I'm going to say create table articles, and then what I need to go ahead and do is define the columns within this table, and this is just going to be the different columns that we store data in. So I've said name, description, and created. So this isn't all we're going to do. What we also need to do is define the type of data that we're storing here. So for example, the name, this is more than likely going to be a varchar, which is a variable character, and this allows you to define the amount of characters that are stored for this column. So for the name of an article, we could say that this could run, say, maybe something up to 120 characters. Now for a description, this might be something like text. So this is just going to be text. For created, this might be a date time, which basically allows you to store a date time field, so the date and the time. So we can say the created at field is date time. Let's end that with a semicolon, hit enter. We see that we now have query OK. But the next thing we need to do is look at how we actually list the tables we've created, so we can keep an eye on the ones that we've added to our database.